Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you carboxylic acid, an organic compound containing carboxylic group. An organic compound containing carboxylic group bond COOH group is called carboxylic acid. Bond COOH group is called carboxylic group. So look here, carboxylic acid, an organic compound containing carboxyl group bond COOH group is called carboxylic acid. The general formula of carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Now I am telling you molecular formula, structural formula, common name, IUPAC name of some carboxylic acids. Molecular formula, structural formula, common name, IUPAC name. Molecular formula, you know very well, general formula of carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So look here, putting here n is equal to 1, we get C1, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 CS3 COOH. If we put here 0, then we get HCOOH. So first carboxylic acid is HCOOH. This is carbon. Valency of carbon is 4. So look here, 1 for this hydrogen. After this oxygen, valency of oxygen is 2. So we have to use here double bond. After this, for this oxygen, single bond. Valency of carbon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bond O, bond H. This is common name of this compound is formic acid. IUPAC name, one carbon name is, alkane name is methane. Remove E, add oic acid. So add here oic acid. It become methanoic acid. After this, put here n is equal to 1. When we put here n is equal to 1, then we get CS3 COOH. This is carbon. Valency of carbon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3H, 1H, 2H, 3H. After this carbon, valency of oxygen 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen 1, 1, 2. Its common name is acetic acid. Acetic acid. IUPAC name is 1, 2. 2 carbon, alkane name is ethane. Remove E, add oic acid. It become ethanoic acid. Now put here 2. When we put here 2, then we get, put here 2. When we put here n is equal to 2, then we get C2H5 COOH. 2 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency of carbon 4. So we have to arrange hydrogen atoms in this way. C2H5 clear. After this again carbon 1 for this oxygen, double bond, valency of oxygen 2 for this oxygen, O, bond H. Its common name is 2 carbon 1 3. 3 carbon is propionic acid. Propionic acid. After this IUPAC name, 2 carbon plus 1 carbon, 3 carbon. 3 carbon alkane is propane. This is propane. Remove E, add oic acid. Oic acid. This is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Now I am telling you methods of preparation of. Now we will study acetic acid. Acetic acid. Formula of acetic acid is CS3COOH. CS3COOH. Its common name is acetic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. But before starting acetic acid, I am telling you types of carboxylic acid. carboxylic acids are of two types on the basis of your standard. First, when one COOH group present, then it is called monocarboxylic acid. When two COOH group is present, it is called dicarboxylic acid. Look here, monocarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid contain one COOH group. One COOH group. Example, HCOOH, formic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. These are monocarboxylic acid. Next is dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. Those compound which contain two COOH group. It's called dicarboxylic acid. Example, COOH, CH2, COOH bond CH2 COOH. It contains two COOH group, so it is called dicarboxylic acid. Other best example is COOH bond COOH. It is called oxalic acid. Its name is oxalic acid, and IUPAC name is ethane dioic acid. Ethane dioic acid. Now we will study method of preparation of acetic acid. Acetic acid is prepared by passing alcohol vapor. Look here, method of preparation of acetic acid. When ethanol is passed, formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. When ethanol is passed over, platinum black at 300 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Celsius over platinum black, then acetic acid is formed, CH3 COOH plus H2O. Again listen to me. From ethanol, method of preparation is from ethanol. Formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. Look here, language. When ethanol vapor is passed over platinum black as a catalyst at 300 degrees Celsius, then acetic acid is formed. Next method, from acetylene. From acetylene. Formula of acetylene is C2H2. When acetylene is passed, formula of acetylene is C2H2. This reaction is most important reaction from your standard to other higher level. When acetylene is passed over 40% sulfuric acid, 40% dilute sulfuric acid, 40% dilute sulfuric acid, and 1% HgSO4, then it is first converted into acetaldehyde CH3CHO. It is first converted into acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde CH3CHO on oxidation give acetic acid, 2CH3COOH, 2CH3COOH. On heating in presence of catalyst. Listen to me again. From acetylene, ethyne. When ethyne is passed over 40% dilute H2SO4, 1% HgSO4, then ethyne or acetylene first converted into acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is oxidized in presence of catalyst, mixture of catalyst and air, give acetic acid. Next point is physical properties of acetic acid. So look here, physical properties of acetic acid. Physical properties. Physical properties of acetic acid are: first property, acetic acid is colorless. Pure acetic acid is colorless liquid. Pure acetic acid is colorless liquid. Colorless liquid. Pure acetic acid is colorless liquid. Second, it has pungent smell or vinegar like smell, especially it has vinegar like smell. It has vinegar like smell. Number 3, its melting point is it boils at 118 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 118 degree Celsius. Number 4, it is soluble in water. It is miscible with water, alcohol and ether in all proportion. So we can say it is soluble in water, alcohol and ether. So these are the some important physical properties of acetic acid. Now next is chemical properties. Chemical properties of acetic acid. You know very well, dear students, acetic acid is a weak acid. So it turn, or this is acid main property of acid is acid turn blue litmus to red. So look here, acetic acid is weak acid, it turn blue litmus to red. Now chemical property number 1, a reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals like zinc. Acetic acid react with active metal like zinc to form zinc acetate, CH3COO, whole twice Zn, zinc acetate and hydrogen gas. Acetic acid react with zinc metal to form zinc acetate and hydrogen gas. If we take here magnesium, then it form magnesium acetate, it form magnesium acetate and hydrogen gas. Next, number 2 is reaction with base. Acetic acid reaction with base like NaOH. Acetic acid react with base. This is acetic acid, and acetic acid react with base NaOH to form CH3COO, sodium acetate, salt, sodium acetate, and H and OH combine to form water. OH and H combine to form water. So we can say acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide base to form salt, sodium acetate and water. After this, next point, reaction with carbonate. Reaction with carbonate. Acetic acid, carbonate means sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Acetic acid react with sodium carbonate. This is acetic acid, and acetic acid react with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, to form sodium acetate, 2 CH3COO Na plus H2O plus CO2. Acetic acid react with sodium carbonate to form sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. Next, similarly, acetic acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium Na, hydrogen H, carbonate CO3 to form sodium acetate, CH3COO Na, CH3COO Na plus HHO combined to form H2O plus CO2. Okay students, so this is the reaction with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Next point is most important reaction, esterification. Esterification is most important reaction. So reaction number fourth chemical property is esterification. Esterification. You know esterification, acetic acid react with acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid react with ethanol, C2H5OH in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form CH3COO, C2H5. Sweet smelling compound ethyl acetate or ester, OH and H combine to form water. Since ester form due to the formation of ester, this process is called esterification. Acetic acid react with ethanol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form ethyl acetate or ester. Due to the formation of ester, this process is called esterification. Next, test. How we can test of acetic acid in laboratory. In laboratory, we can test it by adding acetic acid to carbonate or bicarbonate. Add acetic acid. We add acetic acid with carbonate, means Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Then we get 2CH3COO Na. I have just told you this chemical property, plus CO2 plus H2O. Next, acetic acid added with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then we get CH3COO Na, CH3COO Na plus HHO combined to form H2O plus CO2. So we can say test. Acetic acid can be tested as acetic acid add with sodium carbonate, then carbon dioxide gas is formed. Again, second test, acetic acid added with sodium bicarbonate, then carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Okay, carbon dioxide gas is formed. So this is the test of acetic acid. After this, use of acetic acid. Acetic acid is used as a laboratory reagent. So next point is use of acetic acid. I am telling you important use of acetic acid. It is used as a vinegar. It is used as a laboratory reagent. First important point, it is used as a vinegar. It is used also in medicines. It is used as a laboratory reagent. It is used for the production of dye, fumes, perfumes. Okay, student, I hope that you can understand all the point in this video. Like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay, students, take care, stay at home.